In this video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark in Adobe Reader. First of all, I want to mention that there is no option to bookmark text in the free version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. To access this feature, you need to purchase the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you are unable to buy the Pro version right now, make sure to watch the complete video to learn an alternative method. If you have the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat Reader, follow these steps. First, select the text you want to bookmark. After that, right-click on the selected text, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you will see the Add Bookmark option. Simply click on it, and the selected text will be bookmarked. Similarly, you can go to any part of your document, select the text, right-click on it, and choose Add Bookmark. The text will then be added to your list of bookmarks. To view all your bookmarked text, click on the bookmark icon located on the right side of your screen. This will open the bookmark panel where you can see all the bookmarks you have added. If you click on any of the bookmark text from this panel, you will be taken directly to that location in your document. This is how you can create and access bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now, if you cannot buy the Pro version, you can still add bookmarks to a PDF using an online tool. Open any browser on your system and search for Add Bookmark to PDF Online. You will see several websites that provide this service for free. Before using any site, make sure it guarantees data security to protect your information. Once you find a reliable website, follow the instructions to add bookmarks to your PDF file, and this is how you can bookmark in Adobe Acrobat Reader.